guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a purple basically eyeshadow look for you guys. So if you want to see what I come up with and what I used to create it, continue watching. Alright, so we're just gonna put on our ears, get all my crazy hair out of the way. So I'm going to be using two different palettes to create this look today. So I'm going to be using the Marvycorn and the Carli Bybel palette. I do have all of my base on and I've already baked and did pretty much most of my makeup. So I'm just going to jump right into the eyeshadow look. So I'm going to start with the Carli Bybel palette and I'm just going to base my lid with this super light color right here. I like basing the whole lid always, no matter what. It is a must do. Okay, we are all based. Now I'm actually going to go in with this palette first. And I'm going to take this Bahamas color. It's like super purple. And I'm just going to pick up a little bit of it and put it in my crease. And it should be pretty purple. I'm just going to kind of blend it a little higher. So super blend it up to the eyebrow look. Give it a little extra love. So that is my purple base. Now I'm going to go back in with this Carli Bybel palette and I'm going to use like this mauve purple color right here and I'm just going to place that right under what I just did in the crease. And I'm just going to drag it down on the outer corner of my eyelid a little. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this super dark, like almost looks like a purpley reddish color, and we're just going to take that to really deepen the crease. What I'm doing is I'm packing most of my color in this outer part of my crease, just because this is where I want it to be the deepest, and I'm just going to slowly drag a little bit towards the middle. So it just adds that little bit of intensity into the crease. Alright, now I am going to add just a tiny bit of like a pinky color. I'm going to do this Jezebel from Stila. It's kind of like a wet shadow and it's just going to give a little pop of pink on the lid so it's a little more intense. Okay, so that is what that kind of looks like on the lid. Then, so let this dry for a minute. Then I'm going to go back in with this purple color that I used in the middle of the crease. And I'm just going to blend out the outer corner a tiny bit and just kind of blend this into it. And you can drag your brush just a little bit forward. That way it just blends that out a little bit so it's not so harsh. And then I'm just going to go back in with just a tiny bit of that dark color and just really buff out this corner. Okay, now I'm going to go with this little brush here and I'm going to highlight my brow bone in the inner corner of my eye with this white color. So I'm just putting this all along what's left out from the purple. Now I'm going to do some eyeliner from that little pot that I got in my BookStitch. So I'm just doing kind of a soft wing with this look. Okay, I'm still like so not used to doing that, so that was weird again. I do not use this kind of eyeliner, so that was fun. Now, I'm going to put on a little mascara real quick. So I'm just going to do lip liner real quick. So I'm just going to use Cookie from ColourPop. I love this color. Stuff smells so good. My lips are on. Now I'm just gonna glue on some eyelashes really quick and this look will be completed. Alrighty guys, I'm just gonna spray my face real quick. Take off my little ears. So this is the final look. I think it came out super pretty. I don't wear like a lot of purple, but this is actually super cute and I like the little pop of pink in it with it, so that definitely makes it even cuter. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Bye guys.